Let's introduce the installation and operation process of 980 nm 2-in-1 laser therapy instrument. This is the main machine. This is the foot switch. This is the power cord, 110 volt to 220 volt universal. This is the laser glasses that the operator should wear. This is the eye mask for the customer. This is optical fiber headset. This is focusing ring, 0.2 mm, 0.5 mm, 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, respectively, which is used to adjust the size of the spot. The coarser the focusing ring, the larger the spot. These are two treatment heads for removing red blood silk. Two are only different shapes according to personal habits. When we use a 0.2 focusing ring, when we choose straight head, and when we choose elbow, we can choose not to use the focusing ring. The physical therapy head, which can be used for onychomycosis, pain, eczema, and herpes. No focusing ring is used in physical therapy. Connect the power line to the power socket, the foot line to the foot's interface, and ice hammer to the ice plug. The ice hammer is an option. When connected, the machine can be switched on without adding water. There is no consumable material and no gear is needed. Now, turn on the machine and the instrument will automatically enter the main interface after loading. There are two buttons in the main page. This is the button of removing red blood silk. This is the physical therapy button. Click the button of removing red blood silk to enter the operation page of removing red blood silk. Click the back button to return to the main page. The interface is very simple. There are 3 parameters in total. This is power, this is pulse width, and this is frequency. Click plus minus button to adjust the parameters. This is power. Too small value does not work. Too large will burn blisters. Commonly used range 6 to 12 volt. This is the pulse width. The pulse width is the time when the laser stays on the skin. If the value is too small, it will not work. If the value is too large, the pain will increase and blister. The common range is 30 to 60 milliseconds. This is the frequency. The frequency is the number of lasers emitted per second. The common range is 2 to 3 Hz. This bulb is aiming light. Click this button to adjust the brightness of any light. The first gear is weak, the second gear is brighter, and the third gear is particularly bright. Generally, the first gear is selected. You can see the red blood well clearly. If it's too bright, you can't see it clearly. This is the energy count emitted by the laser after this power on. This is the total energy count emitted by this instrument. Click the Start button. Step on the pedal. The laser starts to output. Release the pedal and the laser stops output. If the parameter is not suitable, it can only be adjusted when the parameter needs to be adjusted. For example, increase the energy a little or increase the pulse width a little. Click Start again and then cheat again. When physical therapy is needed, gently screw off the treatment head for removing red blood, silk, and replace it with a physical therapy head. During physical therapy, do not use the focusing ring. Click the back button to return to the main page, and click the physical therapy page to enter the physical therapy operation interface. The interface operation method is the same as operation of red blood silk. In pain physiotherapy, the power is usually 18 watt or more. The common range of pulse width is 13 ms to 15 ms. The common fraction range is 5 to 10 Hz. In the treatment of onychomycosis, the power is usually 12 watt or more. The common range of pulse width is 20 ms to 40 ms. The common frequency range is 2 to 3 Hz. In the treatment of eczema and herpes, the power is usually 20 watt or more. The common range of pulse width is 80 ms to 90 ms. The common fraction range is 6 to 7 Hz. CW mode is continuous output mode. Pulse mode is pulse output mode. Only pulse mode is needed for red blood filament treatment. During physical therapy, CW mode can be selected according to the needs. In this mode, care must be taken to prevent scar. After CW mode is started, the pulse width and frequency cannot be adjusted. Only the power parameters can be adjusted. The hand appliance is vertically aligned with the part requiring physical therapy and radiated in a spiral way. The physical therapy part will feel hot. The physical treatment time is based on whether it is warm or not, and the customer can accept it. In the process of treatment, the customer's fitness and the degree of tolerance shall be constantly inquired. If the parameters are not appropriate, release the foot pedal. Click the pause button to return to the standby state and adjust the parameters. For example, increase energy a little or increase the pulse width a little. Click Start again and then treat again. This is how physical therapy works. When cold compress is needed to cool down, use ice compress hammer. When the instrument is started, ice hammer can be used, which have nothing to do with the screen program. Press the switch on the ice hammer for a long time to turn on the ice hammer function. longer the ice hammer is used, the lower the surface temperature of the ice hammer is. It should be adjusted appropriately according to the specific situation. The time should not be too long.